Welcome back. Today is a very happy day. I got my husband this special gift, but I got it as a happy unbirthday gift because he wants an appliance for their birthday. I believe in gifting people gifts for any reason in the middle of the year. So this is a happy unbirthday gift. I bought my husband this Ninja specialty coffee maker. It's super cool, and I thought I would take it here today and unbox it for you. Are you still following me? Ninja Dual Brew. Here we go. That's what it looks like. It includes a 12-cup coffee carafe and a fold-away hot and cold frother, a Ninja pod adapter, a paper filter kit, and a removable brew basket. So it has an additional feature of a removable multi-position water reservoir and a programmable delay brew, a drip stop, and a clean cycle. So let's check it out. First thing we get in here is your owner's guide and some filters and a quick start guide, which is pretty handy. Then there's this little thing, and that is a frother. I'm super excited about this. I'm so excited about this. My husband doesn't even know. He's like, what'd you get me? I'm like, you'll see. I know you're gonna like it. I even like the carafe. Look at the cute carafe. It has this cool tube, so when the coffee comes down, it doesn't just drip the coffee on the top of the water, it comes from the bottom and it'll flow up. As you can see, it'll hit the bottom and then the coffee will flow up for a more even taste. That's very cool. It has a scoop, so you can measure for the specialty coffees or for the larger brew coffees. And it really nicely stores right here. It's got this frothing. So here's the frother. Just click it on. So when you need to clean it, click it off, wash it, and then put it back so it's ready for the next time you use it. And you just press this little button to use it. It also has this feature where if you're a tea drinker, you can put it on just hot water. And that's right here. It just turns to coffee bean or hot water. I really like that feature. And then it has a pod adapter installed. So I push to remove the handle. Okay, now the pod adapter comes out. So I don't know if you saw what I did. This is in the locked position, so you can use Keurig K-cups. And then to remove it, you just press it and you take it out like that. It's really cool because if you wanted to do K-cups, you can. I've been someone who's been avoiding K-cups ever since they became a thing, but I figure if it makes it easier for my husband because he gets up several hours before me, that he can do a K-cup, or I can go ahead and schedule the Ninja coffee machine to have a fresh brewed batch of coffee for him when he wakes up. So this is the brew basket, and you do need to use filters or purchase separately some reusable. This is sold separately. They're reusable coffee filters, and you just put them in and you can brew your coffee that way. These are number 4 baskets. Here's a nice close-up of the K-Cup adapter. It is specifically designed for the Keurig style K-Cups, and I like that you can choose to use it or not use it. This was my first time making a specialty coffee, and it was absolutely delicious. I'm so excited to make more things really soon.